We're glad that you're here with us today, and we're preparing a delicious Italian dish, chicken parmesan. And the ingredients that we'll be using in this dish are flour, breadcrumbs, kosher salt, marinara sauce, black pepper, and Parmesan Reggiano cheese, and chicken breast. So let's get started. Now, the next thing we want to do, for these to cook evenly, we need to cut them in half, actually butterfly them, and then we're going to pound them out with this mallet so they cook even. Okay, so we're actually going to get 4 pieces out of this. Trim this one like we did the other one. To an even size and even thickness, actually. So the way we do that, we place it, take a storage bag, gallon size, we split it, put the chicken breast in there, and take this mallet and flatten it out, the thick side. These on both sides, so salt and pepper. I'm gonna deviate from the original recipe and add a little garlic powder on both sides of these. Okay, now we're going to set aside and finish prepping out the ingredients. Now we're going to grate our Parmesan Reggiano cheese. We use freshly grated cheese for one thing, for its freshness, and it melts better because it does not have these artificial coatings they put on it to keep it from sticking together in the package. Fresh ingredients are always better. Beat 2 eggs and set aside. After dipping the cutlets in an egg wash and dredging them in the panko breadcrumbs and grated Parmesan cheese mixture, set aside for 10 to 15 minutes before frying. About 2 minutes until golden brown. chicken for bacon. We're gonna put a couple of tablespoons of marinara sauce on top of each one. Now we add our cheeses. Now we're adding mozzarella, provolone, and finishing with Parmesan Reggiano. I'm going to put this in the oven. Let it bake about 15 minutes. And there you have it, our delicious chicken parmesan paired with angel hair pasta. Doesn't that look delicious?